Good morning, guys. It is my last week as a freshman at Georgia Tech. Really sad. I'm gonna be studying for my finals. I have a really important one coming up on Wednesday. It's my Gen Chem 2 final. So here's my workspace upstairs in my brother's old room. So the plan is to evenly divide all my work. I didn't just start studying for chem, like I actually started last week. Made all these crib sheets. Here's my chapter 13. We have a total of 7 chapters for chemistry to study for. Basically, I just write down everything in the PowerPoint. Instead of scrolling through all those slides during the test, I can just look through this, zoom in on any information that I need. I have a periodic table up here, and then if you go down, I finished my chapter 14. Chapter 18 is done. 20 is about a third done. My plan is to finish all my crib sheets today.
Battery 60%. Connected to Hannah's iPad.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah.
It's 7:10 and I just finished 7.5 hours straight of just writing. Like my hand is sore. Now I'm gonna do a few more things for bio. Just finished the first section of the module we're gonna be tested on tomorrow. It's 12:30 a.m. Calling it a day. Good morning. I'm studying for my bio test, which is today. I'm gonna grind on the document that I'm using to take notes. The bio test went really well. I feel really good about it. Eris is trying to teach me some new stuff for chem.
You move the whole thing clockwise.
Doing my English project. To visualize just how much information this is, here is the document. This is all single-spaced. It's 20 pages. It's about 9 o'clock. I finally finished everything for the last section of the exam. Of course, you gotta have classical music when you're studying the night before your chem test. But it's going pretty well. Hey guys, yes! That exam was pretty stressful because it does define my grade for the class. I'm so glad it's over. But I do have an EMT exam coming up on May 6th, so I have to start studying, but I don't think I can do that today. Like, today's my rest day. But yeah, hope you guys stay safe, and thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!